Hi, welcome to the Tough Academy's course on appreciative inquiry and resilience. Appreciative inquiry is an approach for positive change by discovering what works best for the individual, group, and organization by asking powerful questions. It provokes us to develop an awareness of the value of a strengths-based approach that guides us towards creating and delivering positive changes in our institutions and systems. Meanwhile, resilience refers to the ability to not only survive but also thrive. Resilience may be applied to different scales, from the individual, household, community, infrastructure, government, and even the country. Appreciative inquiry as an approach to build resilience in leadership was proposed to have three dimensions: hope, despair, and forgiveness. These dimensions open up ways of reflecting and practicing being a resilient leader.
This course will be useful for healthcare professionals, academia in the health professions, health and health education administrators, policymakers, and members of community-based organizations, as well as community members involved in the health system. This course is designed to be experiential in that participants will use their experience in complex environment and apply appreciative inquiry as an approach to create positive change. We ask each learner to bring a particular issue which they are wrestling with and apply an appreciative perspective to envision the desired changes and apply clear steps toward achieving this change. Anyone who is interested in creating a healthier world would benefit from this course. This course consists of 6 modules with synchronous and asynchronous sessions and multiple opportunities for reflections. It will be delivered over 6 weeks starting from March 20 until April the 24th. Our team of instructors is made up of myself, Dr. Desak Ernawati from Udayana University, Indonesia, Dr. Robert Woolard from the University of British Columbia, Canada.
Myself, Dr. Harini Iyer from the University of Saskatchewan, Canada. Dr. Lillian Dudley from Stellenbosch University, South Africa. If you're a member of the TUF network, you will have the benefit of registering for one course from the TUF Academies per year for free. If you're interested in making a healthier world, please come and join us in this course. We will adventure together through a journey of positive change. Thank you.
And we hope to see you there.